Alrighty, let's get it. So yeah, I think that's one of the best options for us on GJ.
Sounds good.
Because if you look at it, 4 hourly at that point would have broken those lows, and on the daily time frame, we'd be pretty low in price action. Of course, in the daily, we're kind of in a bit of a range right now, if you look at it.
Yeah, but I think we can expect it to come at least back to a 184.
Yeah.
Perhaps even to 183.5.
Yeah.
Before it comes back if it's not breaking out.
G is hitting my final TP at this point. Almost.
Yeah, I got out too early on that guy.
Yeah.
Man.
It's good, it's good. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. That was a really, really good trade. So let's see whether GU... I don't see GU continuing down further for too long. Because this is a major support, right?
Yeah. But if you look at the 4 hour, it's looking... The bear trend is looking quite strong at the moment, so I think it's possible for it to break out.
Yeah.
I think it has a lot of momentum at the moment.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll have to wait and see what it gets up. What it gets up to. But I will look for a sales if it can break and retest below that 4 hour low or the low at what's that level? 500.
Yeah. 500. Yeah. Okay, I see what you mean. But again, for me, like, I need a change in market structure if I do buy. Like this, like previously over here. Take out this high and then retest. Or if it breaks down below 125,500 like you said, then I think potential sales should be good.
This was a quick move.
Yeah. So that's it.
Too quick.
If you look at it, Eddie, the market will go through a small consolidation phase every single day. That's the small consolidation phase you want to be in, You want to be able to get in. Because after that, market's going to move chop.
Yep.
The market starts moving, so yeah. So let's do this. Let's go. Let's see YouTube. What's good? Let's go. Alright, guys on YouTube, let us know what's up, what's poppin'. Yeah. Let's see how this goes. You're trading gold also, right, Eddie?
I do, but I haven't I traded it in the last couple of days though, so I'm just waiting for it to get out of this bullish a trend line
Yeah.
on the hourly,
Yeah.
and then I will see if I can get into a sell to get, yeah.
Okay.
But I don't think it's ready yet. It just needs to first get past that trend line.
Gold still for sells or buy?
Yeah, I'm looking for the sells on it. So
Ooh.
it's,
Gold is in the same place it was on Friday, eh?
yeah, but if you go out to the 4 hourly, there is like a bearish channel. So you must zoom out a bit more.
Okay.
So it's
Okay, okay. Yeah.
The top of it, yeah. So it's taking it quite well.
Yeah.
So I'm expecting it to come back to the lows. Maybe even up to
Yeah. Ooh.
18, 15 if it that goes to the lows of the channel.
So yeah, so guys, looking at this, let's do a full market breakdown on gold. Okay, looking at it, this is the monthly support, 1915, right, Eddie? Monthly support. Let's just slowly go down the time frames and see. This is our monthly resistance that we formed. Let's use it up there more than down here. So what the previous monthly candle is trying to say, it we broke the lows, but we didn't have the selling pressure to continue breaking the lows and continuing down, right? So on the weekly time frame, look at this. The support is actually at 1910. Right, you can see this previous fake out of this support, right? 1910. Let's just take a look at that. So let's just mark that up. 1910 to 1900. Let's use, because I think that's a level of support that could potentially hold.
Yep, indeed.
And then we have this strong weekly resistance up here at 19. What do we say? 1970. To maybe 1965. There you go. 1965 to 1970 is that resistance. So on the daily time frame, we have rejected this resistance up here. What is it? Oh, what is this now? Let's see. 1945. So let's just say 1950, because key psychological level. There you go, 1945 to 1950. So let's just look at this. We have this clear bullish trend line, right? That has been going up. On the daily time frame, we have a decent bearish trend line that we've now tapped into. So actually the buys will look good on gold if we are to break above this level.
Yep.
So buys above 1950 is what I would say, right? What do you think, Andy? Break and retest of 1950.
I would say that, yep. That sounds good.
Because that would give us good potential on that. So I think gold sells are actually optimum right now. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame, we have this previous support. $19.35. So I think sells below $19.35 would be perfecto. What do you say, Eddie?
I'm looking at exactly the same thing.
So we're on the same page.
Yep.
Let's go. Yeah, 1935 looks really good. So yeah, so let's see how this plays out. Sells below 1935. And on gold, if you look at it, we have a small demand zone up here at 1940 almost. But let's look at 1939. So if you look at 1939, Eddie, we can get a cheeky little buy if price takes out those highs at 1939. You see this, all these highs, and retests it as a support.
Yeah.
So that would be a nice cheeky little buy.
Could be one, yes. Definitely.
Yeah. So let's see. So those who are asking on gold and all, what's good, Manish? How are we doing? Are you trading anything else?
No, I've already taken a trade this morning, so I'm just observing at the moment.
Yeah.
Hopefully, GU will give a healthy pullback to what's it? 1.26.
Yeah.
Getting to some sells, perhaps.
1.26, that looks pretty decent, yeah. I was looking, 1.26 was my TP, you know, TP,
okay.
my break-even trigger, and it just flew right past it, boom.
I did not expect it to go this fast. This was a bit...
it just dropped off, honestly.
Yeah. Man.
Let's go. This is good, this is good. We got this.
But the only question now with GU is it going to break the lows or not?
Yeah. So the problem I'm having right now with this is if you look at GJ, right? We took out these highs
Yeah.
and now we're right over here, you see? So I'm in a little bit of a dilemma whether we're gonna drop or break the top.
I think we're going to come down. I don't have any confirmations of that yet.
Yeah.
So the reason for that is if you look at it's bouncing on the bottom of the previous bullish trend line. So if
Yeah.
you go to the 1 hour.
Yeah. 1 minute, previous 1 hour, okay.
And then those previous high lows, draw a trend line of those.
Higher lows.
Yes, yes,
So
those two
yeah.
high lows. No, a bit.
Oh,
back
okay.
still.
Up here?
No. No. So the first one is on the 23rd of August, and the second one is on the 29th of August. Yeah. Yes,
Oh, okay.
those two lows. So if you draw out that bullish trend line.
Like this?
No. On the other low. That's the second low.
Oh, okay, lower lows, my bad. Yeah. Okay, so you're expecting this channel to continue?
No. What's it? I think that is the palette, but on the 23rd of August there's a low.
Yeah. Wait, 23rd of August, my bad. Yeah, here.
Yes. No, but no, the next one. The next low, yes, and then yes, that's.
Okay.
So
I see you. My bad.
that's what I'm looking at.
That looks very nice.
So it doesn't look like it wants to go above 185 to 50. But if it breaks and retest above that, then that idea basically flies out of the window, and it's most likely going back up. Yeah.
For me, I'm short on GJ once we take out this previous low at 830. 184, 830. So once we take that out, I'll just wait for a lower high to form up and then we can drop it.
Awesome.
Let's see. It's the same thing, rinse and repeat. How was everyone's weekend? Let's hear from the YouTube chat. How was the weekend? What is popping off? Eddie, did you have steak Friday?
I did not.
Didn't go for that juicy steak?
Not this time, but definitely this week.
Sounds like a plan. With 40%, of course. Oh man. Let's see. I like it. I like it. GU also. Gold is actually looking very nice in all honesty.
Yeah, so it's looks like it's pushing back up to that.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
1940 level.
Yeah. And it'll break that bearish trend line also at 1940. So we could get into some cheeky buys. Let's look at the Forex sentiment. Because you know we like to be on the other side of the sentiment.
Yeah, I don't think I would want to buy it right now.
Yeah. Okay. Someone asked what happens to MFF. Guys, if you all have seen the court case against MFF, in my opinion, they're never coming back. That's just gonna be my opinion. Eddie, did you watch those videos?
Not all of them, no. I'm not really up to speed with all the happenings on that front.
I'm just gonna say they're never coming back right over here. If they are coming back, like, of course, I need to see something other than the evidence that has been provided by the Ontario court case that has been filed. Like, the only way MFF pulls themselves out of this is by getting like some banger evidence that proves otherwise. But so far, that employee talking about how they want to sabotage the trader with higher spreads, or they were saying, they literally said that one of the trader who's taken a really big payout of 100k, right? They were saying that either we have to find a way to curtail the way he's doing it, or we have to find a way to take his account and mirror it on an actual account. So that means really no one who's ever got funded with MFF is actually trading live accounts. So that means all that was just a sham. And so the people who do trade with the MFF, out of the millions and millions of people who've attempted challenges and got funded or whatever, there has only been 80 accounts that have actually gone to a live account.
Wow.
So that is just shocking, right?
But I mean, was that not understood that that's how they operate? Because that's how I understood it.
Yeah, no, for me the whole understanding was, if you passed both your phases, the funded account would get mirrored to a real account, right? At least that's what most people would understand, right? That now, since you're funded, they're going to take your account and put it mirrored on a live account. I know companies that they take only 50% of whatever lot size the trader takes on the live account.
Oh, really?
But it's still going to a live account, you get it?
Yes.
But over here, nothing is reaching a live account.
Yeah.
And so the way they marketed it, see, if they had to say that right from the start, that okay, yeah, we're still gonna pay out of this and been transparent, then it wouldn't have been a fraud. The fraud comes where you're not transparent.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So they are shocked, in all honesty. I personally feel they are done.
But personally, I think that's the standard industry practice at the moment. So I suspect the whole funded industry should be quivering in their boots at the moment.
Yeah.
Because I don't think this is the only company that will be a target like this.
I think this is going to go down a lot further, and I you know what, I would actually say, like, the obvious thing in all of this would be, if you're doing business exactly what you're saying and exactly what you're claiming to do, and you're doing it legally, you have nothing to worry about. Everybody gonna be shivering because they know that most of them are not doing what they're saying.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, well, like maybe this is not a bad thing, you know, because it's
Yeah.
still get them to be a bit more
Honest.
accountable.
Yeah. This is, for me, this is a really good thing. Like Donald Trump says, right? Sometimes you need to drain the swamp. And I feel like this is going to drain the swamp of all those pathetic prop firms that have come out in a day, you know, you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, this
But,
is... yeah?
But personally, I'm not touching a, what's it, funded account until they can clear up this,
Yeah.
this like whole situation.
For me, I'm just gonna try to make as much money from prop firms as long as they're around, because I really don't think they're gonna be able, like, come on, you can't expect, like, you know, the bigger players to be completely alright with us smaller players just enjoying, you know, these funded accounts and everything, you know, making more money and stuff like that. No. That would be counterproductive to what they actually want to do, right?
Yep.
So yeah. You guys need to see that it's much more that meets the eye. But I like some of these prop firms have come out with all their legal documents. Of course, they're capitalizing on the MFF fallout, but they've come out with all their legal documents saying about how they're completely legal, and you know, and how all their trades go to an e-book broker and stuff like that. And what's fascinating is, like, you know, I honestly don't think I want to trade with any brokerage that's not a fully e-book broker. Because even if it's a hybrid broker, we have a conflict of interest, right? So I don't know. I don't think I'm ever gonna trade with a brokerage that's not an e-book broker.
But then also, how do you know that it is actually a book? You know.
Yeah. So that we will have to do our due diligence. So the other day I saw this. I was looking at this here, brokersum.com. So they have all the brokerages that are A-book and A plus B book broker. So that's like a hybrid book broker. So some accounts they do B book. You know, you get what I mean?
Yeah.
And that's where a lot of the big ballers actually have A and B book brokers. Whereas there are a few that are just running pure A-book brokerages that are like pretty well known, you know, like FP markets and stuff like that. So I'm like Pepperstone also. Pepperstone is a pretty big brokerage, right? And yeah, brokerage is basically like that, where I'm really looking at moving to a fully A-book broker. I mean, I don't have to move because I'm in FP markets. Because I do not want the conflict of interest, you know? I do not want to be in a brokerage that is taking the opposite of my trades. Because that is a major conflict of interest. But again, like, we need to find a way on how to identify that. Because clearly we noticed we can't trust the person who says we're an e-book brokerage.
Yeah, I think also you will also look at the track record of the company as well.
Yeah.
I mean, it can be a book, but
Yeah, if the
don't
track
know
record
how-
is not good, yeah.
Yeah. I would rather be with a B book that pays me out than a book that does not.
That is also true. That is also true. But we got companies like FP Markets and Pepperstone that are really good, you know. I need to check up on Pepperstone. I've seen them many times.
Yeah, I've never traded with them in the past.
Yeah, and they do have a Trading View trader option.
Okay.
Interesting. Let's see. Been with them for 7 years or so. Pepperstone are excellent. Oh, Zix, that's crazy. 7 years. Wow, how long do their withdrawals take, Zix? Because now you're tempting me. Bank wire 3 to 5 days. 2 to 3 days. Okay. Do they? They don't seem like they have a crypto withdrawal option, do they? Or is it just bank withdrawal? Let me know. Let me know. Cause yeah, they seem pretty interesting. But again, guys, one thing you cannot go wrong with is IC markets, FP markets, FP markets, IC markets. Which are the other ones, the bigger ones?
I personally just use IC markets at the moment.
Yeah, you really can't go wrong with IC markets. And even though IC markets is a hybrid broker, they probably know what they're doing better than most companies know what they're doing for how long they've been in the industry. Let's see. Oh, Admiral markets have been there for a long time. Have you ever used Admiral, Eddie?
I have not.
I used Admiral for a demo account when I first started trading.
Yeah, I don't really look too much into the different brokerages. I just get a good one and then just stick to it.
Yeah. If yeah. Well, I'm gonna take a look in a Pepperstone.
I would like to know how their spreads and commissions compares to IC markets.
Yep, I will tell you. And we can compare. compare it. Alright, 100k, let's see. I would definitely recommend Pepperstone. Anyone recommend a platform not about to get whacked? I was 2k away from completing first of all on MFF 400k. Finotiv check Finotiv out. They are based out of Bucharest, Hungary. Bucharest, Hungary, you can check it out. Alright, let's look at this. GJ is just ranging up over here. Don't even bother, we need to take that high out. Gold is slowly coming up to the top. Let's see, guys in YouTube chat, what are you guys looking for? Tell me, what are you guys looking at? What are we looking at? Zix, you can use code DCFX on E8 funding, Finotiv funding, the funded trader, but don't do the funded trader because they're from the US. Don't use that. So you can use DCFX on E8 funding and Finauto funding, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, but Finauto, if you get a really solid deal for it. E8 or US2, then no point. Don't do E8 also. Check out. FTMO is the gold standard, but yeah. True Forex Funds is also there. True Forex Funds. You can check out True Forex Funds. They're pretty good. MFF was a gold standard too. Yeah. No. Zix, no. FTMO was way before my Forex Funds. That is not even comparable. FTMO is like the OG of OGs. FTMO is like the Apple, you know, of the prop firm space. Yeah, FTMO has been around the longest. I took my first funded challenge on FTMO. Of course, I got clapped, but I took my first challenge on FTMO. Yeah. FTMO is definitely top tier, that's it. You should always go for companies that can afford to do what they're doing, you know? Not just companies that are popping up every day here and there. If they're popping up here and there every single day, nah. No thank you. I don't know, I just don't like the fact that MFF didn't let in most of the people go live, you know. That's like, just imagine how many people have thought they were live, because in that global traders whatever, you get a live account, right? So it's such a scam. It's a big scam. But they also dived into the owner's personal life like crazy. He bought a Lamborghini for 1.5 million or something. I really want to know which Lamborghini, really.
But I mean, if you have a business and your business is making money, what is wrong with buying a Lambo?
Yeah. Wait. Oh no. Which Lamborghini did he buy? This is all the charges, case background, my Forex Funds, blah blah blah. What's today's date? Oh, so next week they would have done. Yeah, Zix, that I can agree with you. Eddie, have you ever done a challenge with FTMO?
I have not, no.
When you started, who'd you do the challenge with?
I think it was my first challenge that I had was with what's it? 5%ers.
Oh, really? 5%ers.
That was ages ago, and then after that I also did a MFF.
Yeah.
But I'm not really good at these challenges. I do better with my own capital.
Yeah. The only thing with own capital is keeping your head down and going through it, you know. What is this? High stakes 2-step challenge, max daily loss 5%, max overall loss 10%, profit target 10%, 5%, 10% for growth. Okay, refund. So how much is it? For 100k? Oh, there's the cost, 495. Not too bad. And 5% has been from 2016 too.
Yeah, they've been around for a while.
They've been around for a hot minute. Interesting. Let's see. So I'm waiting for GJ to take out this low. Let's see. Once we take out this low, I will wait for a retest of 185 and I'll short it. Yeah, Ajit, can you please EJ for me? I'm really stuck in EJ price action. Ajit, did you clear the chart and start with fresh price action again? That's the most important thing. I will, okay, I will take a look at it for you in a second. Guys who are in the YouTube chat, say what's up in the chat. Say what you're looking for. We're gonna hustle this trade in, you know, these charts. Let's go. Tell us what you're looking at. Tell us where you're from. If you're new here, say what's up in the chat. And we will be breaking down each in a second. Eddie, have you taken a look at EJ?
I just looked at it now, so it seems like it's rejecting 58 250, and it seems to be quite correlated with GJ at the moment.
Okay.
But I don't think it's completely bearish yet if he's in sell. So I think if it gets below 158,
yeah, I think we need to take out this previous low, right?
Yeah. But if it can break a retest below 158, I would say that it could be bearish, but at the moment it's not looking too bearish.
Yeah, I agree with you, yeah. Ajit, you have to wait for this. Higher time frame price action always wins, okay? So you have to wait for us to come below 158 in order to get there. Remember, your previous supply zone is from 158, right? If you look here, this drop happened from 158, and then we have another minor supply over here, which is around 900 level. So you need to look for that. Where's your supply and demand zones also? So if we take out this high over here, we could be looking even more different though. But even though we've already taken out this previous high, we need to be cautious of this 158 level, because this could be a retest level to continue up. So I think I like what you said, Eddie. I think we need to break, take out this low and retest 158. The low at 157,900. That would be ideal. If that happens, bazinga. Yeah, that way GJ and EJ both looking pretty decent. For me, I'm still sticking to GJ and GU, looking for that beautiful price action. Give me that beautiful price action. Oh, Eddie, you play Star Citizen, so you should use the brokerage FX Citizen.
Yeah.
I just saw
I
that.
actually haven't I played it for quite a while because it just for some reason doesn't want to work anymore. I'm not sure why.
Really? First the Wi-Fi, now the game?
I'm not sure.
This is getting a little bit sus.
Stuff happens with that game for some reason.
It's a pretty heavy game too, right?
Yeah, it's extremely like resource. Think things that if you have a 4 gigabytes graphics card and 16 gigabytes of RAM, that's basically your like minimum recommended.
Yeah.
It's also not too bad. So I got into some early gold sales at a
1938.
7. What's it? A point. 30.
All right, not too bad.
So hopefully this thing will break out.
Yeah, all you gotta do is manage the risk accordingly.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to. If it's what's it? You're not breaking out, then I will most likely get into some profit taking.
Yes, sir. Profit taking is what we like.
But I'm expecting the goal to go any moment now.
And we say bye bye.
I hope so.
All right, let's see. Like I said, below 1935, I'm all yes. You stopped, Sam. You stopped trading gold. Yeah, Jeet, I don't trade gold. I just look at it for the guys who do trade gold. But I'm not looking at gold 60. Yeah, I don't trade gold. Let's go. Yeah, gold's looking pretty decent. Why Sam Peach? No guys, so my whole goal with going with just GJ and GU was to be able to focus on just basic price action without risking much. The thing with gold is you need to have nice big stops and stuff like that, you know. But with GJ and GU you get a lot smaller stops. And you get to practice the price action. I will trade gold. Okay? I will trade gold. Trading with own capital or go for instant funding. Own capital, ICT Amar. Own capital is very important to understand the actual emotions behind trading. Beautiful. Look at Gio going. Come on, Gio, let's go. So yeah, own capital is super important to understand the emotions. Yes, Eddie?
I think it's going to break out with the momentum that it has right now.
Yeah.
It's looking very, very strong to the downside. Let's just see what's going to happen at 25 to 500.
You know it. $25,500 is gonna be major. This was my GU trade on Fibonacci. You see this, Eddie?
Yeah, you made the same mistake that I did. Put out too early.
Should have been easily up 10 to 12k, easy.
I would have doubled my my account if I kept it open.
Yeah, it's okay for me. I just wanted to make this back. Guys, this was to bring my account back to break even. So I was just like, take it back to break even. Let it roll. But that was a good trade. We could have... you can see how long I held it for, Eddie. This was last night. But like I said, if you find yourself in the consolidation areas, you will find yourself on the brink of a nice big move. So he tapped in a 750 really well. So let's see. Alrighty. GJ. Sam Banks, please bring liquidity to GJ. Okay, I got one little question, bro. I'm working a 9 to 5, alright, in Austria. I'm not able to trade New York and London to scalp. What should I do to succeed in trading, bro? Bro, like, see, I'll tell you what. The charts are open 24/7, right? You have to find what suits you. There are swing traders who make a ton of money. There are day traders who make a ton of money. There are scalpers who make a ton of money. There are different types of trading, right? Who make a lot of money. So you have to decide, okay, so if I'm not able to trade the London and New York session, what can I do? Either there's only one other option, that's I have to trade, if you're working a 9 to 5 in Australia, you have to trade the New York Stock Exchange open, right? Will you be back by then? I'm not sure. Or you have to trade the Asian session. There are people who trade the Asian session, right? I'm pretty sure there are a lot of Asians who trade the Asian session. And other than that, you can look for long-term trades, higher time frame trades. You can look for swing trading, right? So you can look to take a trade and leave it to run the entire 9 to 5. As soon as you're back, you can come and see whether I need to manage the trade or do I need to take more trades. So it's all individually dependent, Amar. So I really think you can be successful if you put your mind to what you need, right? It's not about what others are doing. It's not about what others need, because others are doing what they need. You need to do what you need. So for me, day trading is the perfect option for me, because I have time to trade these sessions and look at the charts, but I don't want to sit every single day and waste my time on the charts, right? So what I do is I put alerts, I put alarms, I look at particular levels and zones, I look for certain price action, and I take the trades and I let it run over the entire day. Or sometimes even like last night, I held the trade the entire night, right? So that way, that suits my, firstly, psychology. It suits my desired, what do you say, time management, because I don't have to sit and look at it the entire day. And it suits my temperament, you know. So like, I'm not a person who wants to sit and lose my head over what I'm doing, right? So I want to be able to let the trade run. Whatever happens, happens, as long as I gave it an A+ effort for analysis. So that's what I would personally say. That's, to me, that's the most important. Okay, so we took out the previous hourly swing low, so that's pretty good. That's a change in market structure. We can potentially look at a small trade from 185 to see what's gonna happen, but again, the safer trade is below 750 to take out these lows. Let's see what happens. Will we go up to take out this high also? That would be interesting. So Amar, I hope that answers your questions on how I would personally deal with it if I was working a 9 to 5. I would say don't leave your 9 to 5 until you've made a good substantial amount on trading. It's vital. But that's amazing. Alright, let's put it in the chat. Whoever's there in the YouTube chat, put it down. Let us know how many of y'all are trading personal funds or funded accounts. Just put it down in the chat. Personal funds or funded account. And secondly guys, just hit that like button for us. Let's get YouTube popping off. Come on. Help me with that. Hit that like button. GJ with a little bit of a smasher coming up. GJ is back up at the high.
That's a nice pullback. That's exactly what we asked for.
And GU is also, EJ is also kind of going to give you that entry if we take out those highs and retest. So pretty good. Yeah.
So, where are you looking to get into, DJ?
So first, I'll wait for it to break this market structure, right? And after that, I will look to enter on a retest of 185. And if we take out the low, I'll look for the retest of 184,750.
For a buy?
No, for a buy above 185.
Okay.
For a buy, so I'm looking, if you look at this lower time frame on the 5 minute, right? I'm looking for us to break this previous highs that broke the lows and retest 185 to give us a higher low as compared to that to continue on.
I think it's coming down though.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying in case we were to take out the highs. Otherwise, my sells are the same. 184,750. Let's see how it treats us. It should come down because GU is also dropping, right?
Yeah.
So let's see. This should come down. So if I get a nice, if it takes out these lows nicely and retests to 184,750, I will get in. I will jump in.
No, I actually wanted to get in at
185?
185 level, but
yeah,
I missed the entry a bit.
You know, actually pretty much the same. I did look, I told you about taking out the previous low right over here.
Yeah.
And then retesting to 185, it's fine. This is anyway the better, more cautious entry. So it's okay. It's alright. GJ. The important aspect is not to get caught in this 25 pip consolidation, GJ. For me,
that's also true.
That's the most important aspect. Because then you just start getting slapped around. And I hate getting slapped around.
Yep.
Dun, dun, dun. Let's see.
I would really like if gold could just
Tank.
take that 1935
Yeah,
level now.
But if you want gold to tank, we really can't expect GJ to tank too.
It depends on what side of the pair is
Pushing the market.
hitting the what's it the drums at the moment.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily
Yeah.
that if it's the USD that's pushing the what's it price around, then yes, it will be inversely correlated.
USD. Those guys should be fast asleep right now. If anyone's awake, go to sleep. Go to sleep. But yeah. Eddie, are you gonna play the new Call of Duty that's coming up?
I haven't even heard about it, but I would be
Oh, you haven't?
open to it.
I think it's Modern Warfare 3, yeah.
Is it any good?
The trailer looks good. But yeah, I think I'd still wait for it. Okay, all 16 maps and part 2, one of ground war maps, boosting the spaces. Evolution of Warfare War Mode that debuted in 2017, Warfare 2. Interesting. So it's mostly gonna just be a multiplayer map. It looks disgusting though.
The 4 hourly on the gold is is looking really good for the cells.
Yeah, the thing is I need that 4 hour to break the support, the 4 hour support.
Yeah.
Once we
But
take
it's
out,
definitely
yeah,
but it's definitely starting to get the bearish momentum going. I like the
yeah,
price action that it's that has at the moment. It's looking good for sells.
yep.
Must just get past that support level and it will be clean sailing.
I like it too. I like it very much. Man, this G is just going for it.
And we aren't in it.
Yeah.
Could have been in it, but then we thought, no, we're gonna get out of it.
So this was my re-entry, Eddie. You see this? We came down and we took out these lows and came back. That was my
Yeah,
re-entry
okay.
over there. Not
Yeah.
re-entry, that was my added scale in position.
So that was also my entry this morning.
Yeah.
But then I thought, no, it's not gonna go all that way just now. It's in the range.
Yeah.
It's not. It's just coming back up, and then I took off.
Whenever you say don't worry, that's when you need to worry. You know. You know how it is. But it's good, it's good. Smashing, 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 lads. What day is today? Tuesday? Let's go. Happy Tuesday. Let's smash today. GJ drop in. Very nice. Can we take out this low and form a higher low, lower high right over here at 750? Come on, GJ, you can do it. If there's anyone who can do it, GJ can. Let's go. Come on guys, hit that like button, say what's up in the chat. Let's see who's doing what. What's cooking today, Eddie?
Cooking?
Yeah.
Not much. I'm not much of a cook.
What's being ordered today?
I don't know. I'll have to see when I get there.
Yeah.
But first, hopefully, there will be lots of a profit taking before that.
Yeah. There should be. Should be. Let's take some big profits before we go there. Say it for always. That's the way it should be. Have you seen Asterix and Obelix, Eddie?
I have. Why?
Yesterday I was watching some of their movies on Prime.
The old ones.
Yeah, the old ones.
They were quite
Yeah.
good back in the day, but I don't think I would have the patience to watch them now.
No. It was fun. For old time's sake. Come on, where are we going? Finotive. It would have been a lot better if we had to do this exact same thing up here at 1.26 on GU, and then we could have been able to take that shot.
Definitely.
Okay, GJ took out that low. Now let's start looking. Let's start looking. So from the swing low to the swing high, these are the only major QPs that I would look at.
Yeah, I would also like to see a healthy pullback on it now.
Yeah.
But might not keep it as well, so not just go straight all the way down. Just like you did.
Just taking what we can get. So we have a good 50 pip range, Eddie. So this is the 50% retracement, this is the 61.8% retracement, so it's good. No problem.
Don't you think it can come back down to a 183.5?
No, I do believe it can come a lot further down. I'm just looking at the potential areas to reject off of, you know, since the previous daily closed extremely bullish engulfing, right? I don't want to take the risk of trying to just sell it forever, you know?
Fair enough.
So we can make a killing just on this 50 to 25 pips.
Yep.
Say you, say it for always. That's the way it should be. So it looks good.
Yep, this is looking strong bearish.
Naturally. GJ is just dropping out of the sky, eh? Bye!
Man, I don't know how to get into this because I don't want to get in right now.
Yeah, no, don't.
No, we'll wait for a retest.
We will wait for the retest.
Yeah.
Of Z750 level. I'm with you on that. And even if we come back up to retest the 155 level now, 185 level, I'm still bearish. Because we've taken out the lows.
Yep, the first action is bearish.
Yes, sir. Man, I'm getting hungry right now.
And the bullish trend line has been broken. So that's a lot of good confirmations right there.
That's just W's. It's just dying right now.
But it's not stopping either.
Yeah, it's just going for it. That 185 retest gave us that last entry, potential entry.
Yeah, that would have been such a beautiful entry.
That would have been an absolute smasher, yeah.
Man.
Next time, never doubt full send.
Yeah, just if I did not miss the entry, I would have pushed the button.
Yeah, same
but I
here.
was looking at something else.
Oh no.
TTU is now tapping into a resistance or a support at least.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking GJ is gonna come down to 184 250, and if we're gonna reject 184 250 is the level which you're gonna reject, because this demand over here in this area is just so strong. So if we are gonna reject, 184.250 will be my bet. Let's see. Guys in the chat, let us know. Are you guys in GJ cells? There's 20 of y'all. Let me know. Are you guys in GJ cells? GU cells? What are you in? What are you in? Let's... Man, I'm getting a little hungry out here. What are you guys looking at? Are you guys looking at selling gold? Because I know Eddie's in gold cells.
Yeah, I took some profits on it a little bit because it seems to be still rejecting that support. So I will either wait for it to come back up.
Yep.
Or a break below.
Well, all I gotta say that is a plan.
But it gave me 10 pips, so that's good.
Yeah. Okay, TJ, come on, we need a nice little retest. Yeah, that's what we're looking for this morning.
I think GJ wants to stop.
No. You know when GJ starts dropping, there's no stopping GJ.
See you as well.
Yeah.
Man.
Man, GJ, come on. That would have been so perfect.
Yeah, so I don't think it's stopping. I think this thing is
No, it's not.
going right past all of that. It's got a lot of momentum at the moment.
Would have been nice though if it had to give us something.
There should be a pullback, but you don't want it to be at this support level because then
Yeah.
it could just push back up from there.
Let's see. This is a new 30 minute? Yeah, new 30 minute. Let's see. Give us a nice topic, please. Topic.
The only thing that's bothering me is the daily doesn't have much of a top week.
Okay.
It does have one, but it's really small.
Each small one.
So it's plausible that it could reject from here and just
Yeah.
go back up. At the moment.
Yeah.
But if it slows
Yeah.
finish today and it gives us a good top week in the Asian, and I think for tomorrow it will be
Yeah.
good study.
Yeah, so if you look at it actually, Eddie, it's alright that we're not in it because... One second, let me just change this color. Let's do a white. Just look at this, okay? That is one range we're in. We broke out of that range and now we formed this new range, right? So we're more or less coming back to retest it. If we do come back below it, I think that's when we can look for continuation to the downside.
Yeah.
Right?
Fair enough.
That would make more sense, right? Because
Yeah.
look at the ranges that we're trading between. We just broke one resistance, we went up, we never retested that high again. Now we're at the retest of the high, which is actually a 50% retracement of the entire swing low to swing high. Right, so that's a lot better to be cautious and wait for us to break below than to take it early. So no problem. This is good. We've already smashed it on GU, so that's not a problem. We may have closed out a little early, but it's okay. You can only learn. You can only learn. And you got this entire setup right there. You see that? This is the setup on GU. Let's see. Pack runner setup? No, Ajita, I've never heard of a pack runner setup. Guys in the chat, put some comments in the chat. Let's see what you guys are looking at. Say what's up in the chat. So even like GU is right there. Yep. Can't fake it till you make it. So dumb, cringy. So let's see. And it's still continuing. Oh, wow, weewa. Let's see whether we can go to the next QP, that is 500. We could have held this for so much longer. But you see, yeah.
What's it? But quite strange if you get a W and you still feel bad about it afterwards.
When you didn't hold your W for long enough, eh? Yeah, it happens, it's alright. Happens to the best of them. It's alright. It's alright. But it's okay. Here on GJ, we're clearly looking and understanding why we want to get into what we want to get into and see everything.
GJ is just not stopping. This thing is.
Yeah.
We're gonna miss the entire move.
No, we wait for the pullback. We'll get a pullback for sure.
Yeah.
But again, like we spoke, that 185 entry was vital. Should never doubt. Never doubt. Give yourself time, space, room to take these trades. Never doubt.
But I still wanted to come back to a 750. I think that might be a good pullback and then possibly go back down. Yeah. So EU also is breaking out of a daily bullish trend line.
Yeah. EU, eh? Let me just take a look at that. I kinda removed.
So it looks like all the.
Ooh, gold. You're still in gold, Eddie?
No, I'm out, but I'm looking to get back in if it gives me the right setups.
Once we take out this low and retest 1935 or maybe 1936. No, 1935 is what I'd like to retest to continue now.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the pullback on it. So there's a good a couple of setups that might play out.
Yep. Might. Definitely might. EU broke those lows too. BEA, beautiful. Man, the GJ is not gonna stop, man. But it's okay. The lower it pushes, it will come back to give us a lower high. So it's okay. Let it push. This is the initial move. The next move will be to break the previous low, right? So it'll be fine. You're on UPS, Eddie? Again?
Yes, my power actually just came back on.
Let's go. Alright, GU we tapped into 1.255. So 25,500. Let's see. The next support on GU is all the way down here, so it's not too bad.
Whew. Gold is looking good for sales.
Gold.
Looking hot.
Hottie. Gold's a hottie, eh?
I think so.
Alright. Let's see if we can get this hottie today.
So the
Oh yeah, yeah.
hour is about to close in 15 minutes. So I'm expecting
15 minutes. In 50 minutes.
50 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
So then I will wait for a top week on the 4 hour and then look for sales.
Sounds good. I'm with you on that. I will look at doing the same. But not on my main account. On the $200 account, we have the challenge account. Let's see. We should do something ridiculous like 100% or something, you know? You're already halfway there though.
Yeah, I'm at 100%. 45% up.
Always.
From and I started on Friday.
Let's go. That's what we like. Is your confidence slowly coming back?
Yeah, no. Definitely, it's these challenges that I'm not good at. It just messes with my
Psychology.
psychology too much.
Yeah. No, that's no problem. It's good. If you think that something is hindering, it's better to remove it. And so since you're removing it, now you can just focus on what you need to focus on.
Yep.
So that's good. Let's go. Come on, guys. Hit that like button. Say what's up in the chat. What is goody? I'm waiting for a sell opportunity on gold and a buy opportunity on GJ. What? That is interesting. Someone's waiting to buy GJ.
Well, I mean, if it gets to the bottom of the range, that could be plausible.
Yeah. Good
But I wouldn't
morning.
look for buys right now. It's looking
Very bearish. I'm not gonna
very
look
strong
at
bearish
this,
now.
But again, once we get to 250, I will slowly start looking for reversals. Let's go. GU, man. GU is just going. Man, if I had to hold this trade, let's just see how much would that have been. 1.255. 7k, and I had 20 loss on it, so that's roughly around 40k. Dang, that would have been so nice.
So you would have almost passed it, right? What's it
Easily.
by now?
We're gonna pass the challenge right there. That would have been beautiful, but it's okay. It's okay in time. The thing is, as you strengthen your skill, right? As you sharpen your skill, it only gets better. Let's see. Guys, hit that like button. If you have any questions, you can ask us in the chat. If you guys want anything, you can let us know. Gold took those lows out, but it's climbed up above 1935.
Yep, and that's what I was scared of.
Yeah, GJ tapped into this 250, so let's see. I'm buying GJ for a retrace. Yeah, I get what you guys are looking at. I just need lower time frame to shift market structure, guys. I needed to kind of do like, you know, something like this, and then it's fine. So to just break this market structure to continue.
And also, if you buy it right now, it's the bearish momentum is quite strong. So I would rather wait for some at least the signs of weakness.
Yeah, what do they say? This is like
they're catching a
falling knife.
Falling knife.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it could bounce from here, but I don't know. It might also not.
That's as sweetly as Eddie could put it, guys. Man, but that was a drop and a half.
We should have gotten in at 185.
Yeah. Yeah.
70 pips.
Da, 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 da. But we're getting super strong, Eddie. Our skill is becoming super strong. For us to cast that GU sell like that, that is really good.
Yeah, I must just upgrade my exit game.
Mm. Yeah, you need to upgrade that
exits.
pull-out game, eh?
Put it like that.
You need to pull out of those trades relatively quickly, Eddie. Let's see now. We've come into this 500 level. I'm really interested to see what Gio is gonna do it right here. Because if you look here, once we come below this level, there's a supply zone below 400, right? Like a very, very strong supply. So I want to see whether we'd actually break this in order to continue or what. It's aggressive as there is no confirmation. But for the move you want, the trade will get... Let's flop it. Yeah, let's see. What trades are you in, guys? Just put the pair in the chat. Let us know what trades you guys are in. I know Zix is buying GJ, that's interesting. Very interesting.
Do you just broke below the 500 level?
Yep. I'm
confidently.
Yeah, I'm watching the way it's gonna react to this zone. GJ is just breaking 250. My god. Yo, someone got shot in UK, I'm 100% sure.
So what's it personally, I think if you are buying a DJ right now, your stops must be huge. Must be massive.
Either they're huge or you're getting wrecked, to be honest.
Yeah.
Cole did a retest, Eddie, of 1935 and it's dropping. Called out on a channel near you. I have a buy too on AC. Oh, ADCHF. Okay. Yeah, ADCHF is pretty decent.
I'll look for sells on the gold in the FTMO session, I think.
Yeah. Let's see, GU's reacting to this zone. GU's reacting to the 400 level. GJ is reacting to this entire zone. So let's see. Alrighty. Good show, Ed. I think we can see in the NY session what exactly will potentially go down.
Yeah, I'm already up for the day, so I don't need to take anything. But if I see a good gold set up, I'm gonna jump it.
Yeah, just shoot me a text before you do that.
Okay.
Then I will potentially jump it with you. Let's see. Okay, never mind. You just broke past all of that.
Oh, unbelievable. This thing is going bearish.
Yeah. Look at the daily candle. That is a
Yeah.
good night, sweetheart. See you never again.
So if it makes a top week in the Asian session tomorrow, then I will be selling that thing like crazy tomorrow.
100%. And I'll be there right beside you, just spamming that button.
It's just not stopping. This thing is a steam train. And I mean, there's what's it? Did something happen, or I mean,
I don't know, but maybe people are writing essays against Andrew Tate and it didn't go well. You know, that was something that the UK was doing. They made in the curriculum, they added like the kids have to write an essay on how Andrew Tate is a bad guy.
oh yeah. No, that's ridiculous.
Yeah.
What's I mean? It doesn't mean he's a good guy, but I mean if you
Yeah.
you take this on it, I mean.
Yeah.
It's
Exactly.
weird.
Weirdos. Oh my gosh, GU, what's happening? Some may say we've taken profits a tad bit too early.
I think so. Man, it would have been nice if I was still in my GU cells.
That's a phase 1, phase 2 completion right there.
90 pips. What's it? Away from my exit. Oh man.
Yeah.
So if a DJ is going to project it at a area that it could be pulling back right now.
Your GU just died.
No, that thing
GJ.
is just
Yeah. Bye bye, GJ.
running. don't think it's stopping here though.
No,
This thing
no.
is just going.
Just you know what they say, smile and wave.
Yeah.
Smile.
Got out of my the goal too early as well. Let's see. Gold says sells to me, yeah. Those who were there early on in the stream, I told you guys to wait for the ticket at this low and a retest at 1935 to sell. That would have been a perfect trade right over there. There you go, 16 pips up. You should be winning. And for us on GU, we took GU early on over here. Man, talk about premature close. That was a major premature close. But for me, I just wanted to bring the account back to break even, so it's alright. It's okay. Alrighty. Interesting, GU rejecting right now. Let's see what's gonna happen. Guys on YouTube, say what's up if you're joining in right now. If you're just tuning in, say what's up in the chat so we know who's tuning in. Say what's up so we know who's tuning in. Ooh, big rejection on GJ. GU also big mammoth rejections. Let's see, that's a huge feminine candle. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, but I think for me to buy a VJ, I need to see a trend to perform with some click on a solid foundation, yeah, something for it to break off of,
Yeah.
or for it to break up above the 118.5.
Yeah, I think like
But
if we just find like minor structure to break out and continue up, I think that's all we need, because we know that these are vital levels. So if we're able to get support for these vital levels, that'd be fantastic.
but I'm expecting a pullback to the 750 level or even the 500 level.
Yeah,
for
potentials.
possible sells.
Stars at night are big and bright, deep in the heart of Texas. Let's see.
I think the gold is the best pair at the moment.
Yep, what's good, Ashish? AB? The sell we called was on point. Take out of the lows. You, of course, you always get the better entries. You're the friend who is a little risky, you know, Eddie.
Yeah. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah. And such is life. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't.
But I do like to get the good entries.
Yes,
And for
sir.
that you need to risk it a little.
Don't we all? Those good entries. No, but Eddie, like, if you look at GJ, that entry we could have easily caught on the retest.
Yeah. Yep.
185. If we just wait for those good setups, I think it'll pay us in the long run.
Definitely.
In the long run. I'm just gonna head out, guys. Thank you for joining in today. See you guys tomorrow, same time, same place for the London session. Until then, take it easy, don't overrest, don't overtrade. You guys know the vibe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, all that good stuff. Eddie and I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place.